Hello guys, this is Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 Code of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Java topic today which is constructors. We talked a lot about constructor but there was some white gray area and this constructor topic. I'll cover that too. What I'm gonna do, I'll just instantiate one variable, let's say it I, and I'll just make a constructor of this class test. So it is done like you all know how to make a object, so it's nothing new to you. It is very simple topic and I won't take very long today because it is very simple example. And what I'll do now, I'll print out the value of I of this object. So as you can see, the output is coming out to be 0 and I'll explain to you why is it 0. So what happens in Java or any other programming language like Python also, it is the basic concept of object-oriented programming. If you create a class and you do not create any constructor in this class, like it is present in class test and I didn't create any constructor of class test. So what happens is Java JVM, Java Virtual Machine, it automatically creates a constructor for this class like class test. It automatically creates a constructor. And how does this constructor look like? This is an empty constructor and it doesn't contain anything. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can ask us in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.